Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry step by step. Focus on establishing a strong foundation in all three branches of chemistry: physical, organic, and inorganic. Begin by understanding the fundamental principles before moving to complex topics. Develop a realistic study timetable, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to chemistry. Ensure you have all necessary resources, including a good textbook and a question bank, to support your learning journey effectively. Active learning is crucial for mastering chemistry. Don't just read. Write down key concepts, draw diagrams, and create mind maps. Dedicate at least 1 hour each day to solving practice problems, aiming for 20 to 30 questions across different topics. Consistent review, perhaps every 3 days, will solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting important details. To truly excel, delve deep into specific areas. For organic chemistry, spend time understanding reaction mechanisms step by step. In inorganic chemistry, master concepts like coordination compounds and periodic trends. Physical chemistry requires extensive practice with numerical problems, particularly those involving thermodynamics and chemical kinetics. Aim to solve at least 10 complex problems per day in each section. Regular assessment is vital for progress. Take a full-length mock test at least once every 2 weeks. After each test, spend significant time analyzing your answers, understanding why you made errors, and identifying areas needing more attention. Then, dedicate specific study sessions to revise those challenging topics and practice similar questions to refine your understanding and boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.